How to manage and change image quality on UC browser. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit images quality on your UC browser app. First thing you have to do, go to UC browser. This is the home page as you can see. Now go down and click on those three lines right here. Now click on settings option here. Now you will find many options here. Choose the second one, it's browsing settings. Click on it and here you go. Now here you will find image quality option. Click here and choose if you want low or medium or high. Now as you can see, it's set it as high. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.